In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract YouTube comment data using Browse AI. Whether you're looking to analyze trends, gather insights, or track engagement, this tool is a game changer for marketers, researchers, and anyone needing bulk comment data from YouTube. Stay tuned to the end for some insider tips and an exclusive bonus that can make using Browse AI even more powerful. Now, if you're new to Browse AI, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to know. It's an incredibly user-friendly tool designed for automating web scraping. In this case, we're focusing on how to use it to pull YouTube comment data, no coding required. That's right, you don't need to be a tech expert to make this work. To get started, head to Browse AI's website through the link in the description below. You can use this tool for free, and when you sign up through that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, perfect if you want to dive deeper into data extraction. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can set up a new robot. These robots are pre-configured scripts that perform the extraction for you. You simply tell Browse AI what type of data you want, and it does the work. For YouTube comment extraction, you'll want to select a robot designed for scraping comments specifically. It's as simple as choosing the right option and letting Browse AI do the heavy lifting. Next, enter the URL of the YouTube video or channel you're targeting. Browse AI will then navigate the page for you, finding all the comments in the section. The beauty of this tool is that it can gather thousands of comments quickly, way more than you could ever manually copy and paste. It's great for analyzing sentiment, identifying trends, or conducting any kind of research on YouTube engagement. One of the key benefits of using Browse AI to extract YouTube comment data is the automation. You don't have to manually refresh the page or click Load More Comments. The software will automatically scroll and fetch every comment from the page. This is especially useful when dealing with popular videos with hundreds or thousands of comments. You can set the robot to capture comments from the entire video, including replies to replies, or narrow it down to just the top-level comments, whatever suits your needs. After the extraction is complete, Browse AI will generate a neat CSV file with all the data you need. The file will include comment text, user information, and timestamps, making it easy for you to analyze or export to other tools. But here's the real kicker. You can do this completely free, thanks to the link below, and with that exclusive bonus I mentioned. When you're ready to take your YouTube comment data analysis to the next level, this free trial will be a perfect starting point. So, if you've been searching for a quick, easy, and efficient way to gather YouTube comment data, Browse AI is the perfect solution. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's free to start. Remember, check out the link below for your exclusive bonuses and get access to an extended free trial of Browse AI. Don't miss out on this powerful tool that could change the way you analyze data from YouTube.